Hello, welcome to Animals and Birds channel. Today's video is about the Budgerigar's introduction, background, habits, etc. So, Budgerigar, often called budgies or parakeets, are small, colorful birds known for their playful personalities and charming chirps. Originating from Australia, budgies have become one of the most popular pet birds worldwide. They are easy to care for, highly sociable, and capable of mimicking sounds, including human speech, making them a favorite among birds enthusiasts. Talking about its color and appearance, budgies are naturally green and yellow with black marking on their wings and head, which help them blend into the wild grassland. However, through selective breeding, a stunning variety of colors has emerged, including blue, white, yellow, gray, and violet. Their small size, long tails, and sleek feathers give them a graceful appearance, while their bright eyes and cheerful demeanors make them irresistible. If we talk about size and characteristics, these are petite birds, usually measuring about 7 to 8 inches from beak to tail and weighing 30 to 40 grams. Despite their small stature, they are packed with energy and curiosity. Male budgies often have blue or purple cere, the area above their beak, while female typically have brown or white cere. Budgies are friendly, curious, and intelligent. They form strong bond with their owners and thrive on interaction. Known for their playful antics, budgies enjoy climbing, swinging, and playing with toys. With proper training, they can learn to mimic words and phrases, adding a touch of humor and joy to any household. If we talk about the habitat and natural behavior, in the wild, budgies live in flocks across the Australian grasslands where they feed on seeds and stay close to water sources. They are natural flyers capable of traveling great distances. As pets, they need a spacious cage equipped with perches, toys, and food and water dishes. Out of cage time is essential for their physical and mental well being. If we talk about the habits and daily life, then budgies are active during the day, often hopping, chirping, and playing with their cage mates or owners. They enjoy chewing or providing safe material like wooden toys is crucial. So we can say that the regular interactions keep them entertained and prevent boredom, which can lead to behavioral issues. Their behavior and interaction with other birds, then we can say that budgies are social creatures and thrive in pairs or small groups. They get along well with other budgies and can coexist with similar sized birds like cockatiels if introduced carefully. Their natural flocking behavior make them happier with company, though they can also thrive with dedicated human interaction. So overall, we can say that Budgigar are delightful companions, bringing color, joy, and lively energy into any home. Their playful nature, combined with their intelligence and social tendencies, make them one of the most cherished pet birds. With proper care and love, your budgies will thrive, filling your life with endless happiness. So this was all about the introduction, habit and habitat and their behavior with the other birds. In the next video, I will come out with the budgies diet and nutrition so that every budgie and as a pet grow well. Till that